What's up, everyone? If you're a teenager watching this, you've probably realized that waiting until you're 18 to start making real money isn't exactly ideal. Whether you're saving for a car, college, or just want some financial freedom without asking your parents for cash, I've got you covered. Today I'm breaking down 7 legitimate side hustles you can start as a teenager. These aren't your typical mow lawns and babysit suggestions. These are real money-making opportunities that can actually scale into serious income. Some of these I even wish I'd known about when I was your age. Let's jump in. Side hustle number 1, social media management. First up, social media management. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyone's on social media, how is this special? Here's the thing. You grew up with this stuff. You understand TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube in a way that most small business owners absolutely don't. Local businesses, restaurants, gyms, salons, boutiques, they know they need to be on social media, but they don't have time to post consistently or create engaging content. That's where you come in. You can charge anywhere from $200 to $500 per month per client to manage their social media accounts. Create content calendars, film short videos, write captions, respond to comments, and post consistently. Start with 1 or 2 local businesses, show them real results like increased followers and engagement, and they'll happily pay you. The best part? You can do this entirely from your phone. Create a simple portfolio showcasing your own social media, or offer to run someone's account free for 1 month to prove your value. Once you have one success story, getting more clients becomes way easier. Bar's side hustle number 2, print-on-demand business. Number 2 is starting a print-on-demand store. This is basically selling custom-designed products without holding any inventory. You create designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, and they handle everything else: printing, shipping, customer service. You can sell t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, stickers, mugs, and more. The key is finding a niche. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Maybe you're really into a specific anime, gaming community, or you create funny designs about a particular hobby. Target that specific audience. The startup cost? $0. Your only investment is time learning basic design skills. You can use free tools like Canva or GIMP to create designs. Some teenagers are making thousands of dollars monthly with the right designs and marketing. Fair warning, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to create multiple designs, test what sells, and market your products on social media. But once you find what works, it becomes passive income. You literally make money while you sleep. As side hustle number 3, freelance content creation. Side hustle number 3, freelance content creation. If you know how to edit videos, take good photos, or create graphics, businesses will pay you for these skills. Every business needs content now. YouTube channels need editors. Real estate agents need photos of their listings. Local events need promotional videos. Influencers need thumbnail designers. The demand is massive. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer your services to clients worldwide. Start by offering basic video editing for $25 to $50 per video. As you get better and build a portfolio, you can easily charge $100 or more per video. Here's a pro tip. Reach out directly to small YouTubers in your area. Offer to edit their first video for free or cheap to build your portfolio. Once you prove you can save them hours of work and make their content look professional, they'll keep hiring you. You can learn these skills completely free on YouTube. Spend a month learning the basics of Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or even free software like DaVinci Resolve, then start charging for it. Side hustle number 4, online tutoring. Number 4 is online tutoring. If you're strong in any subject, math, science, English, a foreign language, other students or even younger kids will pay you to help them. You don't need to be a straight-A student in everything. You just need to be better than the person you're helping. Are you good at algebra? There are middle schoolers struggling with it right now, whose parents will pay you $20 to $30 an hour to help. Platforms like Tutor.com, Wyzant, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students. Or you can advertise locally through Facebook groups, Nextdoor, or even posting flyers at libraries and community centers. The beautiful thing about tutoring is that it's flexible. You can schedule sessions around your own school and activities. Plus, it actually looks great on college applications because it shows leadership and mastery of your subjects. Want to level up? Specialize in test prep. If you scored well on the SAT, ACT, or AP exams, parents will pay premium rates, sometimes $50 or more per hour, for test prep tutoring. Side hustle number 5. Reselling sneakers, clothing, or collectibles. Side hustle number 5. Reselling. This is buying items at low prices and selling them for profit. The most popular categories are sneakers, vintage clothing, collectibles, and limited edition items. Sneaker reselling is huge. Limited releases from Nike, Adidas, and Jordan can sell for double or triple their retail price on platforms like StockX, GOAT, or eBay. The trick is knowing which drops will be valuable and actually getting your hands on them. Thrift store flipping is another angle. Hit up Goodwill, Salvation Army, or local thrift stores, looking for vintage band tees, designer brands, or unique pieces. Clean them up, take good photos, and list them on Depop, Poshmark, or eBay for serious markups. You'll need some starting capital, maybe $100 to $200 to begin, but the returns can be significant. Some teenagers turn this into 5-figure per year businesses. The key to success is education. Follow reselling communities on Reddit and YouTube to learn what's valuable, authentication tips, and pricing strategies. Knowledge is everything in reselling. And side hustle number 6, dog walking and pet sitting. Number 6 might sound basic, but hear me out. Dog walking and pet sitting through apps like Rover or Wag. People absolutely love their pets and will pay good money for reliable care. Dog walkers on these platforms make $15 to $30 per walk, and pet sitters can make $50 to $75 per night watching someone's pets while they're away. The best part? It's flexible. You get exercise. And if you love animals, you're literally getting paid to hang out with dogs and cats. Build up good reviews on these platforms, and you'll have more clients than you can handle. You can also offer additional services like basic training, grooming, or pet photography to increase your income. Once you have regular clients, they'll often prefer to book you directly instead of through the app, meaning you keep all the money instead of paying platform fees. A side hustle number 7, starting a YouTube channel or content creator. Finally, number 7, starting your own YouTube channel or becoming a content creator. Yes, I know this sounds cliched, but hear me out. You don't need millions of subscribers to make money. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize through ads. But even before that, you can make money through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling digital products. The key is consistency and finding your niche. Document your journey starting one of these other side hustles. Create comedy skits. Share your gaming skills. Teach something you're passionate about. Review products. The possibilities are endless. It takes time to build an audience, but if you're consistent, posting at least once a week, and you genuinely provide value or entertainment, growth will come. Some teenage creators are making tens of thousands monthly once they hit their stride. This isn't just about money either. You're building real skills in video production, marketing, communication, and entrepreneurship that will serve you for life. Outro. There you have it. 7 side hustles you can start right now as a teenager. You don't need special connections, expensive equipment, or your parents' permission for most of these. You just need initiative and consistency. Pick one that excites you and commit to it for at least 3 months. That's enough time to actually see results and build momentum. Don't try to do all 7 at once. Focus on one, master it, then expand if you want. The money you make now isn't just about buying stuff. It's about learning financial responsibility, business skills, and work ethic that will set you up for life. Your future self will thank you for starting now instead of waiting. Which side hustle are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making content. Now stop watching and go make some money.